The example I want to start with is this one here, this video of a couple dancing that I saw getting absolute massive views across social media. In fact, every social platform there was. It was, in fact, even shared by Indian news outlets, which means that it was very much seen across the country. But the video itself, if we have a look at that quickly, it shows a couple dancing with the beautiful backdrop, the scenic backdrop of the Pahalgam Valley. And the claim online is that this video shows the final moment. It's the last video ever taken of the late Lieutenant Vinay Narwal and his wife, who were tourists in Pahalgam during the time of the attack, where he tragically lost his life. But what I will say is that this video is totally misleading, because not only is it not the last video of the late lieutenants, it actually has no connection to them whatsoever, and the people that we see dancing in this video are very much alive. The couple themselves have now come to social media to speak their side of the story. They took to their Instagrams. They are Ashish and Yashika Sharawat. They decided to debunk the claims entirely. And they said that they are sending their heartfelt condolences out to the family and loved ones of the late lieutenant who died in that attack. But this is very much their video, and that's why they took it off the internet entirely. And they said that they were disturbed by the false claims being shared around it, but they are very much alive. Now, to prove that it is their video, they also shared to AFP news agency the metadata of their video. Now, the video itself was taken about a week before that attack took place, but